Good morning, everyone. I am Akash Kumar from Team 70. Today, along with my teammates Hari Prasad and Arvind, I am presenting my mini project that hear the word and AI predictor for lyric intelligibility. We have developed this project under the guidance Gauri Ganesh sir. To give some context, over 430 million people worldwide suffer from disabled hearing loss. The core issue we addressed is that currently assistive devices like hearing aids are optimized for speech, not music. Consequently, lyric in songs often become unintelligible to these listeners due to background instrumental noise. Our solution is a novel AI framework designed to automatically predict the word correct rate, which effectively measures how many words a listener with hearing loss can understand in a song. Let's see the problem statement and challenges. The primary problem we identify is the measurement gap. Unlike speech, where we have established metric, there are no reliable metrics to measure lyric clarity in music. This is difficulty because of four specific challenges. First, the signal. Singing involves a wide pitch range and sustained vowels that are harder to analyze than spoken words. Second, the noise instruments can acts as a structured noise that harmonically mask the vocals. Third, the listener. We cannot just use simple signal to noise ratio. We must account for individual autograms and frequency selective losses. Finally, the production technique like reverb and conversion, similar photonic details. Let's see our scope and objectives. Scope of this project is our project scope focus on the Western pop genre, utilizing the Saranza CLIP1 dataset. Our main objective is to develop a robust benchmark tool that predicts lyric intelligibility scores ranging from 0 to 1. The tool is targeted at researchers in assistive audio technology and hearing manufacturers. To achieve this, we developed a three-stage AI pipeline involving uh, s- source separation, involving music source separation, psychoacoustics modeling, and linguistic analysis. It is important to note that our focus is on accuracy rather than latency. So we have excluded real-time processing from the current scope. Let's see our methodology in the architecture. Moving on to our methodology, we designed a pipeline that processes a stereo audio file and the listener provide. Stage one, with the vocal isolation. We will separate the clean vocal stream from the stereo mix using the hybrid transformer DMX model. Stage two is a dual path feature extraction. In this stage, we use three path. Path A, listener computes the HASPI score using the isolated vocal and the listener audiogram. Path 2, content transcripts the vocal using the Whisper ASR model to calculate linguistic clarity, palsy signal, extract acoustic features like pitch and energy using Librosa. Finally, in stage 3, we fuse these features using the XBoost regressor to predict the final word correct rate. Let's see our system design and algorithms. This is the architecture diagram for my project. The system design. The system design and algorithm. For the design, we use the UML diagram to Map our integration. Our use case diagram highlights the primary actor, the user interaction with the system to upload audio, separate vocal, extract features, and predict intelligibility. Our class diagram details the processing engine class, which handles the heavy lifting of loading models, normalizing audio, and running the HASP and the ASR function. The core algorithm The core algorithm are hybrid transformer DMX. The state of the art model chosen for the highly uh, highly fiddled vocal isolation. Second, OpenAI whisper model. We select the medium model because it is robust to singing vocals and they achieved a high accuracy of 79% in our test. HASP V2. This is a psychoacoustics model that simulates a hearing impaired auditory periphery to measure cerebral integrity. The XT Boost, an ensemble learning method used to fuse these heterogeneous features for the final regression score. Implementation. Implementation. Our implementation is built using Python, PyTorch, Librosa, running on NVIDIA GPUs. The process follows four distinct steps implemented in our core base. Model Pi loads the audio mix and applies HTDMX to save the vocal track. Second, transcription code.py takes the vocal track and run it through the Whisper model to generate text lyrics. Third, fetch actual lyric uh, .py retrieves the official grounded truth lyric from the genuine API for validation. Finally, the accuracy course.py compares the predicted text against the actual text to compute the word error rate. And finally, accuracy. Let's see our output and result. These are the codes we use it for this model. The output. We achieved a significant result during testing. We compared the transcripted lyric to the actual lyrics. The Whisper medium model achieved the accuracy of 79% with the word correct rate of 0.208. In contrast, the base model only achieved 49%, providing the necessary for of the larger model. Our scatter plot analysis show the strong positive correlation 0.72 between our model predicts WCR and the ground truth WCR. In our ablation study, we found that using model fusion 0.73 overperformed using HASP alone 0.61 or ASR alone 0.52, confirming that the hybrid approach is a superior. Test case and conclusion. We validate their system with specific test case. For a pop song with clear production, we achieved 75% accuracy, passing the test. For a rock song, we with a heavy guitar masking, the accuracy dropped for 65%, 65%, which was expected, but still useful. For the instrument tag, the system correctly detected no lyrics. This is the result I mentioned. Let's conclude. To conclude, we have successfully addressed the measurement gap in music intelligibility. We proved that the hybrid approach combining signal, listener, and the content analysis outperforms single matrices. For future work, we plan to investigate the BS Roformer for better separation. Expand into non-Western genre like Indian music and conduct real-world testing with actual hearing aid users. Thank you.